Drawing hands can be a little bit intimidating, so I am going to show you a fun, simple way to practice on top of a photograph before you start drawing in real life. This is a continuous contour line drawing, and I'm going to show you how to pay attention to the lines that are really there and use one single line. In the description below, I also have a video where I show you how to draw from observing a real hand and do the same thing. In addition, I have two other videos. One shows you how to do the same sort of thing but with geometric forms, and then another that shows you how to do the same sort of thing with a cross contour line drawing. So these are great ways to get started with getting comfortable seeing what you're looking at, thinking about what is really there when you draw a hand, because sometimes when we draw hands they look almost like rubber gloves or something. So this is going to help you really see kind of lines that are there and also practice continuous line drawing, which is one of my favorite kind of drawings to do. If we haven't met yet, my name is Dina Rennick. I'm an artist and an art teacher, and I like to help you get comfortable trying out new things, learning how to make different types of art and other experiments and things around the house. Let's get started doing this. It won't take long, and then the other ones will be linked in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is my sample one that I showed you, and like I said, I used one continuous line to do it with, and it's teaching us how to observe the lines and figure out what the edges of something is, in this case a hand. Here's the one that I'm going to show you how to do, and I have other paper underneath it so my Sharpie does not go through, and we're just going to follow the lines. You can take your time even more than me. I just want to keep this short and sweet, but anytime you see a wrinkle, you dip down, trace the wrinkle, and then come back up to the outside edge. So never pick up your pen. If you miss something, you just go back. I would say you are probably going to go about half the speed that I'm going. I just want you to get the idea. So you can get started. And just retrace your lines, find a line that gets you where you need to be for your next section. So instead of picking up, I just find a new way to get there. It ends up looking like it's made out of wire. And then I also sign my name in cursive, which is continuous line. So you can see I never picked up my pen, and now I've really taken a look at what this hand looks like and the lines that it's made out of. So there you go, we did our continuous contour line drawing on top of the photo of a hand, and now we're ready to try it by observing a hand. If you tried it, let me know what you thought in the comments, and if you liked this video or found it useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have anything else you'd like to learn how to do, let me know in the comments and I will try to make some videos for you. Thank you so much for stopping by to visit. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I love you. Bye. Mwah.